Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get a refund on crypto. First, understand that cryptocurrency transactions are usually final. Unlike traditional banking, reversing a confirmed crypto transfer is extremely difficult. Refunds are generally only considered for very specific situations, such as certain failed transactions or unauthorized account access. Your first step should always be to gather all relevant details. While direct crypto refunds are rare, some scenarios offer a possibility. For instance, if you accidentally topped up your crypto Visa card with too much fiat, a reversal might be possible. Also, if a transaction fails to complete, the funds often return to your wallet automatically within a few business days. For any unauthorized activity, reporting it quickly is crucial for investigation. To pursue a potential refund, contacting crypto.com support is essential. The most efficient way is through the in-app chat feature, available 24/7. When you reach out, be sure to have all your transaction details ready, including the transaction ID, date, and exact amount. Clearly and concisely explain your issue, providing any relevant screenshots or evidence to support your claim. Remember, the fundamental nature of blockchain means most crypto transactions are irreversible. While crypto.com aims to assist, a refund is never guaranteed and depends entirely on the specific circumstances and their internal review process. To minimize issues, always double-check all transaction details, including recipient addresses and amounts, before confirming any transfer. Stay vigilant and informed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.